Hi all, I'm Shebin Sama for session number UK18 CS277. So today I'm going to explain the sixth experiment of database management systems lab. So sixth experiment is on subqueries and correlated subqueries. So the aim is to demonstrate the working of subqueries and correlated subqueries in SQL. A subquery is an SQL query within a query. Subqueries are nested queries that provide data to the enclosing query. Subqueries can return individual values or a list of records. Subqueries must be enclosed with parentheses. Correlated subquery, also known as like synchronized subquery, is a subquery that uses values from other queries. That is like correlated subqueries. So let's just get directly into the program. So my first question is to list the names of customer having maximum deposit using in operation. So here you are selecting C names from deposit the table where amount in, because you're using in operator. So where amount in, opening a column, opening a brackets and select maximum amount, because you're opening maximum, you are checking the maximum deposit, so maximum amount from the deposit table, and then you can get the customer name. He will be Naren, who are having a maximum deposit. So let's go for the second one, and that would be list the names of customers having deposit in the customer living in Nagpur. So list the customers having deposit who is living in Nagpur. So select T1 dot, so you're using in operation again. So you're selecting T1 dot C name from deposit the left side T1, where T1 dot C name in select T2 dot C name from customer T2, where T2 city is equal to Nagpur. So they're checking from right to left, and then they're just confirming of the customer, the names of the customer who's having, who having deposit. It's checking the names of the customer who are living in Nagpur and who are having the deposit, in the same place. So checking for the deposit, compare with the left and right, and checking whether T to the city is equal to Nagpur. From left to right comparison, you'll get two names. One is Madhuri and one is Pramod. Now let's go to the third question. Give the names of the customers in Karol Bagh branch having more deposit than the other customers in Virar branch. So use any operator. So other than customers in Virar branch, you have to give the names of the customers in Karol Bagh branch having more deposit than other customers. So let's go for it. So here too also you're selecting the customer name C names, where B name, the branch name is Karol Bagh, and amount should be the greater amount than the customers in Virar branch. So select amount from deposit where B name is Virar. So there's a simple, the clause over there, the greater than clause over there, and they're searching using any operator with any, so they're comparing with all the customers and checking out who has a greater sign, who has a greater amount, and they'll get the name Mehul. So he's living in, he's having his account in Karol Bagh, and then he is the highest depositor that the customers in Virar branch. Now, fourth question is like list the branch cities of Anil and Sunil, and that is also using in operations. So select T1.city from branch T1. So from T1, where T1.b name, and select T2.b name from deposit T2, where C name in Anil Sunil. So here you're selecting branch name, comparing, taking it as T1, where this T1.b name in, you're selecting T2b name from deposit T2. So from T1 is a branch, T2 you're selecting the, T2 you're selecting the branch name, where their C names, the customer names is Anil and Sunil, and both is Anil and Sunil's, their branches, cities are in Nagpur, both of them. So now give the fifth question is give the loan number, loan amount of borrowers having same branch as that of depositor Sunil. So here you're choosing loan number. So from T1 loan number and T1 amount, where the borrower T1, where T1.b name in operator, select your T2 for the branch name from the right side, and then from deposit T2, where T2.c name is equal to Sunil. So you're checking the branch name, you're searching from T1 side, and comparing to the T2 side whose CNAME is Sunil. So no rows will be selected. So there'll be a person who, I mean, like, so there'll be no person whose loan number, loan amount have the same branch as that of depositor Sunil. Now give the names of borrowers having loan amount greater than the loan amount of Anil. So you're taking from T1 using a great sign and then searching in T2. So T1 dot C name from borrower T1 greater than, where T1 dot amount is greater than all. So you're using all operators, so it's all. T2 dot amount from borrower T2 where T2 dot C name is equal to Anil. So C name will be Mehul, Sunil, Pramod and Kranti. So these people are the borrowers whose loans are greater than the person Anil. Now let's go for the next question. List the names of customers whose deposit amount greater than 1000 and loan amount less than 10,000. So here also you're selecting the names of customers. So M name and the deposit number who. So where T1 or deposit. So where, I mean, like, where deposit T1, where T1, I mean, like, from deposit T1. So where T1 dot amount is greater than 1000, you're using a clause, and then T1 dot C name in. So T1 dot C name, the customer names where select T2 dot C name from borrowers where T2 dot amount is less than 10,000. So whose loan amount is less than 10 amount, you're searching from the column and you'll get the names, that is Anil, Mehul, Sunil, Pramod and Kranti. So these are the people who are having who are having deposit amounts greater than 1000 and loan amounts less than 10,000. Now list all the depositor having deposit in all branches where Sunil is having account. So select C name from deposit where B name, and select B name from deposit where C name Sunil minus select Sunil from dual. So here means list all the depositors having deposit in all branches where Sunil is having account. So you're checking with all the customers, you're getting the information of all the peoples having the deposit in all branches, and then you're subtracting people in whose branch Sunil is also present. So you're subtracting from that Sunil, and then there'll be no row. So Sunil has an account. He has his deposit from all the branches. Yeah. So here ends my, so here's the end of the sixth experiment, subqueries and correlated subqueries of database management system labs. Thank you.